On December 31st, 2010, they had an EF3 tornado come through the area. Caused massive devastation, killed 3, winds 140 miles an hour. So they're standing in the middle of the damage path where it came through. It was about 500 yards away. About just under a quarter mile wide. You can see more area where the funnel came over, just around Wedington. See all the trees and debris. Taken away. Tornado came right through this valley. Come across another damage path from the tornado. You can see this fence, the wire's been stripped off. Power come through. It appears the barn has been destroyed. Chicken houses have been destroyed. Another sign you can tell when there's tornadoes is when the tins gets blown up in the tree and it's twisted, and the trees themselves are twisted or damaged like that. This is the town of Cincinnati. What's left of it. This is what remains of the Cincinnati fire station here in Cincinnati, Arkansas. Downtown Cincinnati, Arkansas.